The James Webb Space Telescope has just revealed some of the most astounding data ever gathered from Proxima Centauri B, a planet located in the closest star system to Earth. The question on everyone's mind, could there be another world, just like ours, out there? A world that might host not just life, but an advanced civilization. Earth. It's not just another exoplanet, it's potentially a distant twin of our own planet. But what makes this planet so special? Proxima B is located in what we call the habitable zone, the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist. Liquid water is one of the key ingredients for life as we know it. However, while Proxima B seems to have the right conditions for life, scientists are still trying to understand just how Earth-like it truly is. Could it host alien life? Could it harbor a civilization? The mystery deepened when the James Webb Telescope turned its infrared eyes toward the planet. What Webb discovered was nothing short of jaw-dropping, a strange, unusually bright glow, far more intense than what natural phenomena alone could explain. This intense brightness is a puzzle, something not easily accounted for by the planet's environment. Could this strange illumination be signs of artificial lights, possibly coming from advanced alien cities? Or could these lights be natural in origin? The possibility that Proxima B might harbor intelligent life is captivating. Could this be the first proof that we're not alone in the universe? But scientists are careful, not ready to jump to conclusions. The lights could be explained by natural phenomena, but the idea of alien city lights is hard to ignore. It's like seeing something flicker out of the corner of your eye, a glimpse of something mysterious that you can't quite explain, yet you can't look away from. Webb's capabilities are unparalleled. Most space telescopes struggle to detect faint signals from distant planets, especially those far away from Earth. But the James Webb Space Telescope, with its advanced infrared sensors, is specifically designed to pick up even the tiniest flickers of light from across the cosmos. This capability allowed scientists to see the unusual brightness on Proxima B, especially on its night side. This is where the mystery deepens. Could artificial lights be the cause of this strange glow, or is something else at play? But the intrigue doesn't end with the lights. The planet's heat signature is equally baffling. Rocky planets typically absorb sunlight and then emit infrared energy in a predictable way. But Proxima B's heat pattern doesn't follow the norm. If the planet has an atmosphere, it could act like a thermal blanket, redistributing heat from its sunny side to the dark side, stabilizing temperatures across the surface. Without such an atmosphere, however, Proxima B would likely experience extreme temperature shifts, blistering heat on one side and freezing cold on the other. Studying these temperature changes is key for scientists. By observing how heat is distributed across the planet, astronomers can infer whether Proxima B has an atmosphere, and, if it does, what it might be made of. This could reveal whether Proxima B could sustain life. One of the most exciting possibilities is that Proxima B's atmosphere could harbor gases that are life-friendly, oxygen, methane, and water vapor, for example. These are the building blocks for life as we know it. But here's the tricky part: detecting oxygen, a key signature of life, is incredibly difficult. Oxygen is often masked by other elements, and it's not easily found in the vastness of space. Fortunately, the James Webb Telescope has another trick up its sleeve. Webb can detect ozone, which, like oxygen, is also a marker of biological activity. If Webb picks up on ozone in Proxima B's atmosphere, it would be one more clue in the search for life. Webb's incredible sensitivity also opens the door for future discoveries in exoplanet research. As amazing as the James Webb Space Telescope is, it can only study a select number of planets within a certain distance from Earth. But the search doesn't stop there. Scientists are already excited about the next generation of telescopes, like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, scheduled to begin operations in 2028. These ground-based telescopes will complement Webb's discoveries, offering even greater detail on the atmospheres of distant worlds. One of the biggest challenges in exoplanet research is distinguishing between gases that come from life and those produced by natural, non-biological processes. For instance, methane could be a signature of life, but it could also be a byproduct of volcanic activity. So, even if Webb or other telescopes detect methane or oxygen, scientists have to be cautious not to make assumptions without further evidence. The James Webb Telescope's observations of Proxima B have sparked a wave of new ideas about the future of space exploration. As we continue to peer deeper into the cosmos, we're facing questions that challenge the very nature of life itself. Are we alone in the universe? Could there be civilizations on distant worlds that have developed technologies unimaginable to us? Could they have found ways to thrive in environments that we would consider uninhabitable? Looking at Proxima B, scientists are considering all the possibilities. If the planet does have an atmosphere and water, it could be home to life, maybe even intelligent life. Or, if the conditions are harsh, life might exist in the form of extremophiles, tiny organisms that thrive in extreme environments here on Earth, like boiling hot springs or icy Antarctic waters. If life can survive in such conditions on Earth, who's to say it couldn't exist on Proxima B or other exoplanets? There's more to the story of Proxima B. Even though this planet is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star and the other remains in perpetual darkness, it still gets enough sunlight for water to exist in liquid form. But there's a catch. The planet is constantly bombarded by intense radiation and solar winds, which could strip away its atmosphere, leaving it barren. But just because Proxima B has these challenges doesn't mean life is impossible. The potential for life, especially life adapted to extreme conditions, still remains. And there are plenty of other intriguing exoplanets that scientists are studying. For example, Kepler 442b is a planet that's about a third larger than Earth and orbits its star in just 112 days. Located nearly 1,200 light-years away, it's another candidate in the search for Earth-like worlds. And then there's the TRAPPIST-1 system, just 41 light-years away, with 7 rocky planets, 3 of which lie in the habitable zone, possibly with liquid water. Could these planets be harboring life as well? Or perhaps they're hiding something even more extraordinary. As technology advances, the dream of discovering alien life, whether microbial or intelligent, is becoming less of a distant fantasy and more of a scientific reality. The James Webb Space Telescope has already opened a window into a new era of discovery. It's providing detailed images and data about Proxima B and other exoplanets that may one day answer the ultimate question, are we truly alone? The possibilities are endless. Proxima B is just one piece of a larger cosmic puzzle that we are only beginning to solve. As we continue to study distant planets and their potential to support life, the search for answers will only grow more